Alright, Peggy, explain everything.
Well, I was using balloons and I was coming to get Jab because he was AFK, but then when I finally got over there, I freaking heard a giant rumble, and then I saw this beam of light just coming from this freaking respawn van. Then when we finally come over here, the freaking volcanoes just got darker.
And then I realized the fact that the time was fixed, and the freaking nuke went off. Volcano.
Boom. And I don't see why, but I don't think Jeb could see this, but the freaking respawn van has a freaking giant laser coming from it. Right when I heard the erupting, the freaking laser, the laser right here just turned on. I don't know why it did. Okay, wait, I need my phone. You need me phone. Okay, coming. I don't know why, but the freaking spawn van has a giant freaking bright light.
Picture that.
Okay, I'll go take a picture of it now.
Okay, Jesse.
They
Me. I want skinny legs. Me. I want a flat stomach. Me. I want to be thin. Me. Yeah? Bye-bye.
Peggy.
Boy,
Peggy.
I am taking a picture of this.
Have fun.
Hey, Boombo.
I took a picture of it right before that happened. Right before this freaking storm happened. I'll send you to it when we get in the circle. Yeah. Wait. I forgot how to get off of here again. There. I'll send you the thing sooner or later. Okay? But there's a freaking giant freaking laser. We landed it. Oh, I'm gonna send you the picture. I'm gonna send you a picture. Anemone. Ha. Oh God. I still landed it too. I sent it to you. It's sending right now. It's like sending. The picture's still sending, but there's a giant freaking light. The picture's still sending. Hey. Tomorrow's Jab's birthday? Okay, Oscar. Hey, Oscar. Oscar. Let me go tell Jab that tomorrow's his birthday. I'll be back. Hey, Jab. Tomorrow's your birthday.